right here at the Scottsdale Quarter is the grand opening party for HPE. A UFC fighter who's going to warm us up at 9:30. At 9:45, we've got F45 Midtown Scottsdale who's coming in to teach a boot camp class. We've got the Stretch Lab coming in, Dry Bar who's going to be doing braids, Skin Laundry is going to be doing little facials. We've got Pressed Coffee is going to have coffee. Bubble Bee has their new drinks. You get 20% off the entire store. Pan and show you. It's super cute, but it also has function. It actually cools the body by 3 degrees. UV protection. It has compression. It has silver in it, so it's antibacterial. So guess what? You ain't gonna smell.
That doesn't just look good, has the visual language that makes you feel confident, but also the technology that really does work with you, not against you.
What I love about this line too is that you didn't ignore the men.
So we have really cool kind of shorts and t-shirts and tanks and sweats. So this is a beautiful brushed cotton.
I will be here, the hostess with the mostest.